Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how to write the integrals. The command for integrals is int. Write the integral command. Symbol is coming here. The limits can be applied to the integrals by the subscript and superscript symbols. For example, write the integral subscript symbol and superscript symbol at. In the subscript symbol write 0 and in the superscript symbol write 1 x square d of x. The limits 0 and 1 are coming to the right of the integral symbol. To add the space between the x square and d of x, write the space command \, comma. A space is added between the x square and differential of x. To write the proper differential symbol, write the diff command defined in the Comath package. Now the differential symbol is coming properly. To place the limits above and below the integral symbol, write the limits command after the integral command. Write the limit command, limits. Now the limits are coming above and below the integral symbol. Now let's see the variants of the integrals. There are 5 variants of the integral symbol. These are integral with O symbol. The command is OInt. The symbol with O integral. The second symbol is with double integrals. The command is IInt. The third symbol is with triple integral symbols. The command is IInt. And the fourth symbol is 4 times integral symbol. The command is 3 times INInt. 3 times INInt command. The last symbol is dots between integrals. The command is IDotsInt. These are the 5 variants of the integral. Integral with O symbol, double integral symbol, triple integral symbol, 4 times integral symbol, and dots between the integrals. Now let's write these integrals. The first integral is, it has limits 1 to 10 and after this there is the fraction. Let's write the integral command base 0 and power is 10. After this there is a fraction. Write the fraction command. In the numerator there is 1 and in the denominator there is a square root of 10 minus x. Write the space command and differential of x. The integral is coming here. Second number integral is base limit 0 and upper limit is pi. The command for pi is ti and secant of x. The command for secant is secant. Write the space command and differential command. The second integral is coming here. The third integral is minus 3 to 0 and fraction. In the numerator there is 1 and in the denominator there is 9 minus x square, square root of 9 minus x square. Write the space command and differential of x. The fourth integral is 0 to 1 and natural log of x. Command for natural log is ln x space and differential of x. The fifth integral is minus infinity. The command for infinity is infty. Infinity to 1 and 1 minus x into e power x space and differential of x. And the last integral is minus infinity to infinity. Then fraction, write the fraction in the numerator there is e power of x, and in the denominator there is 1 plus e power 2x. Write the space command and differential of x. All the integrals are coming here. The left side margin of the numerator list can be changed by the optional argument left margin is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Use these optional arguments. Include the minimum item taken in the variable. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next one.